Today we are going to create a bird feeder. I'll show you what we'll need. We will need a paper tube. We will need some ribbon. In this little yellow dish, I have some peanut butter and something to spread peanut butter with. And we will need some bird seed. I have some bird seed in this jar. Now, to begin with, we will take our peanut butter and we will lightly spread it on the tube. All right. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take our bird seed, and I have laid a piece of paper here on the table, and we're going to spread some of the bird seed out on the paper. Okay, now I'm going to roll the paper tube in the bird seed, like so. And the peanut butter will sort of act like glue. It will pick up the bird seed. Okay, very good. Now, what we will need to do, we'll need to have a way to hang our bird feeder in a tree. So, I'm going to take this piece of ribbon, and I am going to thread it through the paper tube. Like so. And then I will tie it just like so. And then we can take our bird feeder outdoors and hang it in a tree, and the birds will come and get the seed. And that is a very simple bird feeder that you can make at home. I hope you'll take a little time to create a bird feeder like this one. I'll see you again next time for more creating.